Hello, my amazing learners. Today, this video is just for educators. So if you're teaching kindergarten, primary school, middle school, junior high, secondary, this video is especially for you. So on the page here, I have a very special website called ck12.org. It is a wonderful website, educators. It has a ton of content, including videos, simulations, all sorts of things to help you teach your classes and to enhance the teaching learning process. So let's have a look at the website. So when you go to ck12.org, you will most likely land on the student version. And on the student version, you will see this, the smarter way to learn. Now, this is a free website. You don't need to subscribe, enter your credit card, nothing of the sort. You don't need to go through your school district or your regional office, MOE here in Jamaica, none of that. All right. So they have this special innovation, which is a digital textbook. I think they call it a Flexibook. I need to show you guys an example of their Flexibook. It's right here. They have it along with the study guides that you can download and you can also use online. Then they have adaptive practice. Adaptive practice where according to the grade level, the subject, whatever it is, the child can practice certain activities over and over. And it will look at the responses that the child keeps on getting wrong, and they will switch, make some changes, allow the child to try it again and again and to do better each time, hopefully to do better each time. Now, there is a section here that if you switch back, let me go back to student version. There's a section here, PLIX. I think that's the copyrighted name for it. Oh, here it is. PLIX, which stands for Play, Learn, Interact, and Explore Math and Science Concepts. So I know that many of you educators have realized that there is just not enough well-curated content for the high school student, especially when it comes to these two subject areas, math and science. You might have a lot of games, but they might lack the academic rigor that we really want them to have. So I've been going through the PLIX, the different ones that they have, and it has been quite interesting. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm not going to go into this too much. So you can explore it at your leisure. Here are the different topics that they cover: arithmetic, measurement, algebra, statistics, probability, geometry, trigonometry, analysis, calculus, and in science, earth science, life science, and so on and so forth. So you can explore that. You can see in the background here that if you switch, yes, this is the teacher version. There is an assistant, a virtual assistant that you will get as you go through. Now, this is a standards-based curriculum that is offered, as I said before, from kindergarten right up to grade 12. And it has been vetted and approved. Yes, it is American-based, but when you go through it, you will find that there's a lot that you can use that will align with our national standards curriculum. So that should be quite useful for you. There's another section that I want to make sure that I show you guys. Simulations, yes, especially for our physics and chemistry teachers out there. So there are certain concepts that if you want to teach it, it is better to show the child and allow them to change the perspective, change the angle, see the different simulations so that the concept becomes more concrete to the child. So there are a lot of abstract things in science, whether in physics or chem or whatever. So high school teachers, this resource, it is worth a look. It is worth your time checking it out and seeing what you can use from it. So again, the name of this website is ck12.org. You can even save things to your library. You can have a free account. I signed up for an account. I've been exploring this website for over a month or so now before I decided to introduce it to you guys. So hopefully this video has been useful to you. Have a look at ck12.org. Have some fun learning something new, how to use a new resource so that you can help your students and extend your professional development. Bye-bye. Until I see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you.